is Holly Walther with this week's economic news update. And it gives us an important peek into where interest rates may be headed and what this means for anyone thinking about the possibility of buying, selling, or refinancing. Now, first, the job market. It is cooling. ADP reported that the private sector lost 32,000 jobs in November, even though experts expected gains. Now, over the last 4 months, businesses have cut a net 17,000 jobs. Now, their chief economist summed it up perfectly. Things feel choppy. Consumers are cautious. The economy feels uncertain, and small businesses in particular are pumping their brakes. So, guys, we're also seeing other signs of slowdowns. More people are beginning to stay on unemployment longer, unfortunately. As we approach the holidays, companies are announcing more job cuts, and hiring plans in most are at the lowest levels that we've seen in many years. So, what does all of this tell us? It's crystal clear. The economy is downshifting. But stay with me. Now, let's talk inflation. That's the other half of this story that we want to make sure we cover. Now, the latest inflation report, the PCE, finally came out and was right in line with expectations. The Fed's favorite inflation measure, core PCE, ticked down from 2.9 to 2.8 year over year. It's progress, but it's still above the Fed's 2% goal. So, the $1 million question, what does this mean for rates? Well, the Fed is trying to walk a tightrope, cooling inflation without slowing the economy too much. A softening job market makes future rate cuts more likely, but inflation still running a bit hot can delay some of those cuts. So that's why Fed officials remain divided going into their December 10th meeting. And guys, here's the most important part if you don't hear anything else I say. As a reminder, the Fed controls the federal funds rate, not mortgage rates directly, but their decisions absolutely influence the long-term rates, which we watch every day, even hourly, sometimes minute by minute. So, bottom line, as we close out this Friday, the economy is cooling, inflation is easing, and we're inching closer to an environment that supports lower mortgage rates. So, if you're thinking about buying, refinancing, or just want to understand your options before heading into the new year, know that my team and I are here to walk you through it. You don't have to figure out any of this alone, and we're here to help anytime. As always, make it a great day and have a wonderful weekend.